So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we're discussing about the web designing, that is one of the source of making money online. So web designing is no doubt to be great online skill to learn to make money. The designs, the developments, and the maintenance of the users-friendly websites have become a difficult and war in an era marked by the rapid rise of the digital technology. So with that, the demand for the full stack designers capable of creating dynamic, innovative, and sophisticated websites is slowly but steadily increasing. If you have an eye for designs or visuals are not familiar with the programming languages, then web designing is for you. So a web designer needs to be highly prominent in graphic designing, UX and UI, coding, programming, and so much more. So users experience and the users interface play a big role, because 75% of the consumers from an opinion about a website so slowly based on how it looks and feels. A web designer and must grasp the art of improving UX, user experience, and UI using a user interface, and understanding the basic of the programming language and designing it is must for creating a website. It is functional and ensure a great user experience. Learning to code can be intimidating at first, but there are a plethora of excellent web designing courses accessible online to help you get started. So the 11 number is blogging. Ways to earn money through blogging is very affordable, firstly, and it's very easy. Not many years back, blogging was just considered a hobby that people did besides being engaged in a full-time job. At present, blogging functions the same. The only difference is that a lot has evolved over the years. In 2023, blogging is considered one of the best skills to make money. So speaking of the average salary in blogging, it merely depends on the following factors: the niche you picked for blogging, the time you dedicate to blogging, learning and executing, the traffic on your blog, and the digital marketing techniques you implement. So consistently, your goals and your motivation are some other factors that matters a lot. Now there are various methods to monetize your blog. Your income streams depends upon your level of blogging, what kind of the blogs you write, and which methods you select for the same. So jotted down below are a few of the modern ways to how to make money from blogging. So direct advertisement, ad networks, AdSense, and affiliate marketing, paid reviews, sponsored posts. So the average salary of a blogger in India is about 21,394 INR per month. So there are a few skills that you can master to make money, and most of them come under the umbrella of digital marketing. If you want to understand better how digital marketing can help you to make money, so then this video will help you. Watch this video until end. So the 12 number is the video editing. So the video is definitely the most effective marketing as well as a promotional tool for music products, services, and news, education purposes. It's we can already see video editing and become the next thing. Also it is one of the easiest skills to learn online to make money. So at present, video production does not require huge expenses. The availability of a computer is all that is required to make professional videos. If you possess the correct editing skills, video editing skills are finally getting huge importance, which is resorting in it being the most important skill to make money online. So apart from the YouTube itself, which offers you a lot of the tutorials on the video editing in details, you can find courses on the udemy.com and lynda.com that can help you out. Adobe has video tutorials on its website that are great for the learning the software. So that's another tool that you can explore. So the average salary of a freelance video editor is about 25,000 INR per month. So and the 13 is mobile app development. So the just like mobile development, app development has become one of the most profitable skill to learn to make money. A few of the skills required to be an app developer and programmer, UI designing, backend computing. It is undesirable that the world is moving towards the applications. We have started spending more time on our phones than our computers. Every business is looking into the mobile app development to expand, and the demand for the individuals who can code Androids and iOS apps increasing every day. So the field is promising, and if you are interested, you should start learning how to do this right now. So the mobile app development will require you to be good at some coding languages, Java and basis of the XML for the Android. Before you get started, you need to know that the code is not difficult if you commit to it. So if you are interested in learning mobile app development, you can get started with the online app store optimization course. So wherein you will learn about how to attract more users to the app store, increase the conversion rates, learn ASO tools, tips, tricks, and strategies. So the tutorials on the team treehouse.com might turn out to be the very helpful if you want to learn mobile apps development, since these skills pay out a decent amount of money. You will be able to recover your money quite easily within several months of the focus study. So the average salary of a freelance mobile app developer is 32,000 INR per month. So on parting notes, in conclusion, we would advise you to invest your time in these highly profitable skills, which is a turn will help you to earn a decent amount of the money. If you seriously feel digital marketing is a field for you, then you can start learning it as a degree course via BBA in digital marketing now. Also, if you are still not sure about creating a niche in one of the skills above, we recommend going for this comprehensive online digital marketing course, which will prepare you as a all-rounder in digital marketing. It also offers 100% placement assistance. If you are a graduate and are looking for a more advanced education in digital marketing, then you can pursue an MBA level post graduation in digital marketing, which is 11 months long, offers two unique specializations and 100% placement guarantee. I hope the blog has helped you, and the technologies that we have studied today and the skills that we have studied today for the online earning are the digital marketing, social media marketing, website development, affiliate marketing, content writing, copywriting, email marketing, SEO, SCM, graphic design, web designing, blogging, video editing, and mobile app development, and many other things that you can do to switch on to these web development courses. So this will help you invest on yourself, because investing on yourself is the best things to do your this is the best investment that you can do on yourself, to learn money online, to catch more money and make more money by online skills that nobody can teach you. So search engine apps get the best results with the Zap Meta about the monetization apps results from the six easy finds that will search you to the digital agency China, and learn marketing agencies strategies about working on the specialized reservation as a digital education. So what you can easily be suggest as one of the best working tools that you can use here to sponsor yourself, to endure yourself, to enhance your skills, to prepare yourself to the to make a digital scholar, to make a good enhancing preparation in the online markets. So jobs in digital marketing look as a field future outlook. So whether you are a recent graduate looking to enter into a job market, a sponsored employee waiting as an advancement, and entrepreneur starting, the best skills that you can entrepreneur this. So the top 10 skills to learn to make money online. The first is already I have discussed, the social media marketing, such as engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, graphic designing, web designing, video editing, and mobile app development, and more money like these that have encouraged yourself in the social media is a gold mine for the digital marketing science. It has many daily users. The ideal location, since that is where the bulk of the action is promoting your brand, producing content,